Hello and welcome to PartnerConnect. Today I'm going to show you how to get started in PartnerConnect. First, we're going to set up your user account. So after you've set a username and password, as well as verified your account via SMS, you're going to have a few quick questions to ask that we'll store on your profile. The first of that is the CRD number. This is going to be your FINRA registered individual CRD number, not your firm's number. This is required for all advisors doing business with Human Interest. After that, there's a series of optional numbers, such as your work phone number, your client calendar link, if you want your clients to use that to schedule meetings from the Human Interest portal. That can be Calendly, that can be a Google Calendar, Meet, Chili Piper, or any other popular solution. And then finally, employee ID. This would be a unique ID specific to your firm if they give you an advisor or employee number that you want included on statements that we send to your firm. After that, you're all set up and ready to go. Next, we're going to take you through the fund universe. So Human Interest is open architecture. We support anything traded by our custodian that also has benchmarks from Morningstar, and that is not how 12b1 fees. So from the investments tab up top, you'll see the sub tab of funds. From there, you can see every fund that we offer on our platform. If you click on a ticker, that will open up the side drawer with more information from QSIPs to expense ratios, even the prospectus links served from Morningstar directly. Next, we're going to show you how to build a lineup template. A lineup template is a lineup that can be applied to multiple plans. It can be edited after it's been applied to a plan, so it's a good starting point to be able to quickly apply your favorite lineup to multiple plans. So you can see I've already created one for Fidelity Target Date funds. I'm going to create a Target Date fund series with Vanguard funds now. And we are going to use that as of March 2025. Save and continue there. From here, first thing you're going to do is set the QDIA and age bands. So this QDIA type is going to be target date funds. In the future, we'll support other types of QDIAs. And you can choose your different target date fund series. So like I said, we're going to choose Vanguard's Target Retirement series. And we're going to automatically pull in all the vintages in that series, as well as the recommended age bands by the asset manager. So if you disagreed with these age bands for the asset manager, you can go ahead and customize those. I'm going to leave them as B. If you also wanted to review any details about that, such as what the expense ratio is, what the share class is, so on and so forth, you can click on the ticker and that will open your fund details side drawer, as you saw on multiple other screens. So after that, we'll save and continue. The next step is going to be add additional funds. So the first thing you'll see on add additional funds is that we have a backup funds in all of our plans at Human Interest. This is used for rare edge cases such as small trades that don't meet trade minimum balance with our custodian, or unaffected fund closures where we need to rapidly map assets from a participant into a different holding. That can be swapped out with fund mapping, as well as we will allow you to customize these backup funds in our lineups in the future. So let's add investment options that participants can elect into that are not a part of the QDIA. So here we have advanced filters. I'm going to go ahead and stick with our Vanguard theme. If I come down and choose Vanguard with my fund family, that's going to filter our fund universe for just Vanguard. And we're going to go ahead and just pick a few kind of random funds here, where we'll get a mix of large value, we'll get a mix of some commodities. We're going to get a mix of a couple bond funds in here, both short and long, and we're going to add that to our lineup. So now you can see these additional funds here that we added for participant investment elections. Save and continue. And our last step is to review and submit. So in the review and submit stage, you can see any settings that you set up on previous steps. You're going to be able to see the name. You're going to be able to see the funds that are in it when you created that. You'll be able to view all of the funds in the lineup, including the ones in the QDIA, and you'll know that they're in the QDIA by the type column. And then finally, you'll be able to review the age bands for the QDIA. If you want to change any of these settings, just click the button in each of these sections. That will jump you back to the step where you made those elections, and you'll be able to edit and save your new changes. So from here, we're going to save template. And then after that, it will take us back to our fund lineup templates tab, where we can see all of the templates that we have saved, including the Vanguard one we made earlier and the Fidelity one we just made.